Hey, Julie and Shannon. I figured I'll answer Julie's question about how book clubs are usually run by video because it's too much to type out, and this is more personal. So, normally, if it's a whole book that's been read, then you discuss the entire book. But I'm actually in a book club right now that we're doing each chapter by one chapter per week, and it's really cool because you can really focus on the details of each particular chapter. So that's really how it's run, is scheduling a call for chapter one, and then giving everybody a week to read chapter one, and then scheduling the call at the end of that week, and then focusing on what the main messages from that topic are, and maybe come to the call with some questions, so it's not just us talking but asking questions of everybody and then hearing what everybody's responses are. So it does usually generate some pretty good engagement. I just had the second call today with my other book club, and it was pretty cool. There were a lot of people on the call, and a lot of people were, it was actually yesterday, a lot of people were giving their opinion and what they got from it. So basically it's us, sharing what we feel is the most important messages, and then asking what everyone else thinks, what their take was it on it, and also coming maybe with a couple of questions about the chapter for everyone to give their input. And then during the week, we can post like motivational messages and things that are relating to that particular chapter for the week. And that's the way it's been being done in the one that I'm in right now, and it's going very well. It's very successful. So I'm looking forward to doing this with you guys. All right. Have a good night. Bye.